The Auburn Chamber of Commerce has a busy and exciting schedule this week. Here to share it with you is the Chamber CEO, Kevin Henley.
On Tuesday morning at the Chamber Forum at City Hall, we'll have Einar Maisch. He's the Executive Director of the Placer County Water Agency, and he's going to talk about the water situation here in California and in Placer County. Later on Tuesday at 4 o'clock, we're going to have a ribbon cutting at Western Sierra Medical Clinic. So if you're interested in dropping by, that's at 3111 Professional Drive for that ribbon cutting. And on Wednesday from 11:30 to 1 o'clock at the Canyon View Community Center, I'm looking forward to our power lunch. We're going to have Maura Rowe, who is Executive Director of the Placer County Visitors Bureau. And she's going to talk about tourism and how it can help our local economy. And to finish up the week, we'll have a couple more Christmas events. On Saturday, we'll have Country Christmas, and that's in Old Town Auburn. And we'll have the Downtown Family Christmas Festival, and that's in downtown Auburn. And of course, Santa will be at the Auburn Promenade next weekend, and on the weekend is December 17th and 18th. And that's from 11 a.m. to 3 p.m. if you want to bring your child and see Santa. So have a fabulous week. Thank you.